Let's see what is the difference between Android versus iPhone. Android phones are made by different companies. iPhones are made only by Apple. Android phones come in many price ranges. iPhones are usually more expensive. Android phones offer more customization options. iPhones offer a simpler and more consistent experience. Android phones use the Android operating system. iPhones use the iOS operating system. Android phones have different designs and features depending on the brand. All iPhones have a similar design and user experience. Android phones allow users to install apps from multiple sources. iPhones mainly allow apps from the App Store. Android phones often provide more hardware choices. iPhones have fewer models but are closely optimized with iOS. Software updates may vary by phone brand. iPhones receive updates directly from Apple. File transfer to a computer is generally easier on Android phones. File transfer on iPhones is more restricted. Android phones are available from many brands such as Samsung, Xiaomi, and OnePlus. iPhones are available only from Apple. Android phones usually provide more options for storage, battery, and screen sizes. iPhones offer fewer choices but strong hardware and software integration. Android phones are suitable for users who like flexibility and customization. iPhones are suitable for users who prefer simplicity and consistency. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.